Hello again, Preply tutors. Today I'll be talking videos. Having a video is now mandatory on our site, but that means good news for you because our studies have shown that tutors that have a video are twice as likely to get a trial lesson booked with them. Isn't that great? Some other advantages of having a video are more continuous student requests as well as more profile views. Now it's time for me to show you how to upload a video to your profile. But first, you should check out our support center, which will give you tips on how to create a perfect video. I will link that in the description of this tutorial. Let's get that video upload process started. The two most common recording devices that our tutors use on our site are the built-in camera on your laptop or even your smartphone. So now, first thing you have to do is create a YouTube page. Once you've done that, click on Create a Video or Post, then Upload a Video, and you're almost done. Please make sure that your privacy settings are set to public before you go any further. Then click the arrow and you're ready to upload. This looks like a nice video. Open that file and you're just about finished. Create a name for your video and make sure all this other information is accurate, and then click publish and you're just about done. After you click publish, your video will start to upload to YouTube. Once that is done, all you have to do is copy this link here, go back to your edit profile page, click on the My Profile tab, then the resume button on the left side of the screen, and then paste your link here on Link to Video Clip. Scroll down to the bottom, save your progress, and you're good to go. Our team will review your video and look to approve you. Thanks for watching and have a great Preply day.